As PR professionals, managing your workflow efficiently is key to delivering successful results. That's where the A to Z pitching project comes in. It brings everything you need into one easy-to-manage platform. From building targeted media lists to crafting personalized pitches and even tracking your results, the A to Z pitching project saves you time, keeps you organized, and lets you focus on what really matters. I'm Martin, and today, I'm going to walk you through how to save time and stay on track using the A to Z pitching project, the ultimate task assistant for PR professionals to execute campaigns from start to finish. First, head to the Projects tab and click on Add New Project. Once there, select Start Project under the A to Z pitching section. Give your project a name and select the relevant account you're working on. Remember, you can always click the plus button to add collaborators to any task along the way. The Action button allows you to duplicate a project for similar campaigns or tasks, mark as completed once the task is done, and archive projects that are no longer active but might be needed for future reference. Now, let's dive into writing your pitch. You have two options. Generate an AI pitch by selecting either the Propel standard voice or a custom brand voice that you can set up in your settings. Alternatively, you can manually write your pitch by selecting the drop-down arrow and typing out your subject line and pitch body. But for now, let's use Propel's AI tool to draft our pitch. Don't forget to click Save when you're done. Next up, we'll write a press release. Similar to the pitch, you can either generate an AI press release or manually upload your own. Now it's time to build your media list. Click Build Your Media List, and you'll see a variety of options. Add from database. Pull contacts from Propel's extensive journalist database. Add from My Contacts. Use contacts you've already added to your account. Import from CSV. Upload a CSV file with journalist contact info. Make sure it's formatted correctly. We've provided a sample file for you to check out below in the description. Create contact manually. Simply fill in the fields to manually add a journalist. Creating a media list is easy. Just put in your pitch under Topic Prompt. This new AI feature is the most advanced in the world and will give you a list of 200 really relevant list of journalists, so you don't have to just spray and pray that the emails land on the right inbox. You can use filters to search for specific journalists or publications. Next, click Personalize and send email drafts to journalists. You can do this through Gmail or Outlook. Select your sending preference. Send to selected contacts or send to everyone on the media list. Then, click Create Drafts. Fill in any placeholders and hit Submit. Here are two examples of personalized AI intros. Hi, Amelia. I noted your recent article about AI design apps and their impact on residential aesthetics, particularly how they can sometimes produce unexpected results. Hi, Aisha. I read your detailed piece on TikTok's expanded subscriptions feature for creators and noted your insights on the platform diversifying revenue streams. This aligns with our initiative to explore new digital engagement models. To monitor any coverage you receive, click Create Monitoring Alert. We've linked a video below that offers a more in-depth guide to setting up these alerts. Finally, click Update Pitch Status to track the progress of your pitch. Propel offers several default statuses: Sent, automatically applied when your pitch is sent; Opened, changes when the journalist opens your email; Responded, updates when you get a response; Materials/interview, tracks when a journalist shows interest; Article secured, marks when a journalist agrees to publish, but the article isn't live yet. Article published. Once the article is live, update it with the URL here. Not interested. If the journalist declines, use this status for tracking. Propel automatically updates the first 3 columns, while updating the rest is up to you. And there you have it. Everything you need to streamline your PR projects and campaigns from start to finish. For more tips, tutorials, or support, check out our playlist here. or get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.